biker real quick, man. The cyclist. I love jeepneys that much.
Bago sabi ko, ano sabi ko? Ayoko na. Kasi I need your full attention.
I know. Fanta is better. Pagbalik!
Ay, bahala ka.
Pagbalik pa ako. Sakto ba? Saan nga yung SM?
Hanggang ano mo, dulong bayan ko.
Ano ba yan kayo?
Ako.
Makain na ako rin.
Ha?
Tuto na ako eh. Kaya lang ako, ha? Talig na lang kayo, lipat na.
Hanggang saan ko?
Hindi, kakain muna ako. Kakain. Lipat na lang kasi pa. Ha? Kakain mo lang ako talian. Hi. So, we're gonna leave at this point.
Sige. Sakay na lang po kayo. Sabi ka kayo.
I don't know if we can just like get to another jeep or something at this point. That's maybe if we can use the provincial operation. What? Yeah, I mean of course it's got CZN ETC. Oh.
Nadaan po pala dulong bayan.
Oo, dadaan yan, dadaan.
Oh my god, get in. So comfort boss. Yo, let's go. Yo, what are you?
The best thing ever.
The bus.
Ano ba yun?
Love them.
What?
Tell mo.
Yeah, this is gonna be just funny if we can tell mom about this. So,
There's a
yeah, we got some luck. I told you we can ride it.
Did I just mean the best choice?
Actually,
Best choice?
we were supposed to be
The jeep.
riding free at the jeepney.
Yeah.
Boom!
You know what to do. It's like actually, it's actually it's funny. I have like 100 pesos here.
Hanggang dulong bayan.
You're losing coins at least. Oh, I mean I still have coins. So
Ayan ang tropa, sukli niya tropa.
Ayaw mo tumali eh.
better. Ah, my hair. I mean this is cool. So, yo, this is the best thing ever, bro. I like it.
Dapat ang ako pintura yun. Jim? Jim, gagawin. Oo, pati kumain. Pag tayo nakakain, nakakaupo.
Sigaw ng bayan may ayaw ng
Oo,
bayan.
parang tahol. Parang tahol. Ay, lumpit to. Tayo ko to ah. Go. Games, iba na ako tayo. Go, magubat.
Test thing. Test deal.
Rani.
Yes, yes it is. Come on, please, please. What is 6 plus 7? 6, 7. Oh wait, no, I think that's actually dead. Or maybe not.
Huwag mo na kumain kayo para makabigyan na yung bago.
Mami na sa ano na kami, St. Dominic na kami banda.
Aray ko.
Oo. Sa ano, SM na lang kami. Sa SM na lang kami bababa.
Bumili ka muna kayo ng sakyan. Mga bumblebee oh. Oh, nahili ko. Wala naman walang matira. Wala naman lang pera yun. Ay, wala na pera yun. Pangako sa akin, ginasted eh.
Sa may ano
Yung
pa
pa kaya?
Yung ako, sa St. Dominic po, yung McDo na po.
Pagtubos lang, hindi nagbigay eh.
Opo.
Dude, I found it. There it is. It's the Manibela. There it is, bro. Seen this? Look over there. Over there, yeah. That's the Manibela.
Amo pera hindi bibigay.
That is my first time seeing that on video, bro. Yes, my first time seeing that on video. If you don't know what Manibela is, it's like this one driver's organization in the Philippines that's that's affiliated or allied to the party list or coalition piston or the pagkakaisa ng mga manggawa never mind not that one.
Sige po, mas maganda.
It's a real organization, trust me. It's just not fictional, it's a real organization. Piston and Manibela are both allies, trust me, they're a real organization.
Pag nagising pa ng gabi, eh, meron ka yan. Aw. Okay.
The bus is shaking by the way.
Sa bale, sa kami.
Meron kami ganyan. Pati na ako.
PPI tapos ikunin na lang kami ni Marco.
Meron din yung orange yun. Orange. Sino gagamitin yung itim? Sino gagamitin yung itim? Gamitin mo sa kanya, mga ako. Eh kung itim ko, itim ka yung nanda yung ano, yung tutok kayo, no? Hindi na ako tayo magulog eh.
Sige. Sige, tawag ko na lang siya.
Kung ako magtrabaho, hindi mo doon.
Sige po.
Sa pamuli na trabaho. Isang araw, namamalengke ako sa Cubao.
Bahala ka, takbo namin 5,000, wala kang tagastos-gas.
Ako ba ako ba yung mga ba? Ano ano? Ano ka Alfred? Hindi mo yapalas is. Yung muli ko ba? walang paki. Tapos na. Ano pa?
Did you take a bath?
Yeah, I did. In my grandma's house.
Really?
Yeah.
Lock muna ako. Lock. Lock ka. Oh, do it.
Holy crap.
Lumaki ang ina, may makas na.
Grabe, yung ganda ng ano sa atin, regalo sa atin ngayon, no?
It's one
Oo,
big
mabalik ka
ass
dapat.
truck, bro.
Bakit ang walang bawal ka?
Ano ba?
Buwan yung ano naman.
Oh,
Yun ang gabi. No.
Pero pala yung nakita niyo, pag mamasiga yung ako na lang pag mamasiga yung
Oo, ikaw na pala doon.
Ay,
Mamamakot sila. Ay, si Pakaw na eh.
yung pag si Hashim.
Ha?
muna na po. Okay. Sa SM pa ko. Opo. Saka ano pa dito sa kabas ko.
Gusto ko yung motor ko eh.
Pagka binito mo, pwede mo isang lakas. Hindi na naman ako.
Dito. Meron ko yung dito. Maganda mo sa inyo yung pag-iwan yung natatanggap na ganda. Ang galing na wala akong automatic.
Pwede nga rin, no? Hindi gasolina pala to, no? Hindi gasolina. Ako na ulit ka ako di kuryente.
Ito ko yun. Ito ko sa dragon. Sa kung bisa kayo mga.
Ah! Malaki.
Papasay sila pag nahuli ko yun.
Kinain siya? Kailangan na tayo.
Hey. Oh my god, no. Let's forward Philippine nationalism as expressed, including the socialist and socialist, federalist, and conservative ideals. Anyone who did this video, lupang hinirang when this part is shown. See here, the Philippine flag is the best part of the mall.
Bakit mo? Tapos ka na? Nasa SM ba or kami
Adia. You, bro. Look. Waving. The Philippine flag is always waving. God bless the Philippine Republic and bless the people. If you want to see the full thing here,
The heck? Nice plan. Oh damn, wait. At this point you wanna watch your baby buses in here. If you know what I mean. Gross. Oh my god! You know it is bright when you barely see the flag. You might show your pictures. But whenever you might know that the flag, when it's bright, it will still be appearing out of thin air. Or when it's dark. Dark in the video, the Philippine flag will always appear in our hearts. And yes, that the Philippines need the victory and power for the people. That's a jeep go. It's an electric jeep if I don't know. Nakalimit. Now how about this? Hindi tayo divide din sa 40 kasi SM tayo. Sa 40 kasi SM tayo eh. Hindi naman tayo IS eh.
Grabe, ito na ako sa kanila. Alam mo ba ito? Sabi ko pa naman talaga na hindi ko ayaw ko talaga kasi ito po ako. Alright! Nakalimutan ko kasi sabi ko pa.
Oh my god. Tango the Philippine Islands. And we passed them.
She said we should go
Pure gold.
Ayan, dyan lang yan.
Pure gold talaga.
Wala ka naiwan. May tabi lang po.
Alam mo, hindi ka gano'n.
Yeah. Go. Go, 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 go. Ah.
It was so comfortable.
Yeah, it was so the bus was comfortable.
It took a while, but it's kind of worth it because it's not hot. Unlike
It's
if
in a
you're
jeepney.
riding on, yeah, if you're riding an ordinary jeepney, it's gonna be so hot.
I mean, trust me.
And imagine if we waited that long and stuff. It's going to be really hot.
Long
Yeah.
and hot. But this bus is just long and cold. It's comfortable. I love this bus.
We're gonna eat the minute we get home.
Yeah. Oh yeah.